Alright, so sometimes, and I've noticed this mostly seems to be when you do a fresh install of Windows. I mean, perhaps other settings might change it too. I'm not sure, but in my experience, it's been mostly when I do a fresh install of Windows and I get into the display settings, the monitors tend to be set at 59 hertz. So I'm going to show you how to fix this. Now this monitor here, or these monitors, okay, these run at 75 hertz. Alright, so you've got your, monitor 1, monitor 2. So you're going to want to click on both monitors. We're going to start with the left side. That's monitor 1 over there. Okay. Alright, so you scroll down to the bottom, and you're going to want to click on Advanced. Wait, where is it? Sorry. Hold on. I didn't get all the way down to the bottom. There we go. Okay. You're going to want to click on Advanced Display Settings. And that's going to open up options for your monitors. Display 1 and Display 2. Now I've already set the monitors here, so as you see it says 75 hertz, right? But when I first installed Windows on this machine, I actually had to go in here, click on each monitor for, monitor 1 and monitor 2, or Display 1, Display 2, come down here to the refresh rate and change it from 59,940 to 75. Okay, so that's how you adjust the hertz on your monitor to be to the settings of what it should be. For example, this monitor runs at 75, but the monitor in the other room runs at 60. So in the other room I had to change it from 59 to the 60. Maybe your monitor runs at 120, or it might be a higher refresh rate, maybe 200 plus or something. You'd still have to come in here and adjust the settings to be correct for your monitor. That's how you adjust the display refresh rate under Advanced Display Settings. You find the top there, and then after you've done so, you can check the display information, and it'll show you there the refresh rate. Matter of fact, you can always check that information first, and it will tell you whether or not your monitors are already set to the correct hertz. But in my experience, especially after a fresh install of Windows, I've always had to go in and adjust it down here. Okay? So that's how that's done. Alright, thanks for watching.